You've been given the following information for a call option on the stock of Puckett Industries. The price is 65, the strike is 70, time is 0.5 or 6 months, the risk-free rate is 5%, and the volatility or the standard deviation is rather high at 0.5. You're first to determine the value of the call using the Black-Scholes option pricing model. Lastly, what is the value of the put with the same inputs? To value the call, we're going to use this method over here. To value for the put, we can use this value of the call formula, except for we substitute n of d1 with n of d1 minus 1 and n of d2 as n of d2 minus 1. Hence, you'll notice this portion down here. We first need to solve for d1, and d1 is equal to the natural log of the price divided by the strike minus the risk-free rate plus the variance divided by 2 times time divided by the standard deviation times the square root of time. Note here you can either take time to the power of 0.5 or use the SQRT function. There we go, that looks better. Now we solve for D2. Depending upon your version of Excel, you can either use norms dist, or if you're using a later version of what I'm using, it'll be norm.s.dist. D1. We'll just copy that over. For here, we're going to subtract 1. And we'll use that later for the put. So the value of the call, we're just going to use this formula and plug in numbers. So it's the price times n of d1 minus strike times exponent of the negative risk-free times time times n of d2. So this call would currently sell for $7.78. We can do the direct method to solve for the value of the put, which is equal to the price times n of d1 minus 1 subtract the strike times the exponent of the negative risk-free times time times n of d2 minus 1. So this put should sell for $11.52. And that makes sense. It has a strike of 70 and the equity is currently selling for 65, which means it's $5 in the money. That is, we can sell at a price higher than the equity is currently selling for in the marketplace. If we do the parity approach, we'll take the value of the call less the price of the equity plus the strike times the exponent of the negative risk-free times time. So we can see value of the call 778, value of the put 1105.